Okay, here I am, and I'm in Socrative, the app, and I have several things that I can do with the app. Um, right now I'm on the launch section. I also have all of my quizzes that if I can click on those, you can see I have multiple quizzes here. So they're all down there. I can also click in this box and search for a quiz by its name. I have rooms, and this is by default my room. I was able to change it, and you can do that as well by just clicking on the pencil there. The add room option, so if you have multiple classes, is a pro feature, and that's $30 a year. Here I have my reports, so I can check out all those, and then I have results, which again I think is once I run something. So I'm going to go back to the launch section, and I'm going to go forward, and I'm going to do an exit ticket first. So here I have an exit ticket, and I'm going to run this. And while I'm running this, I'm going to run it on a student side, so you're going to be able to see a student side of things as well. So here I am on the student side, and I'm going to go into the Socrative student, and it's going to ask me probably for my room number first, or room name, or whatever it is. So looking for the room name, so I'm going to put my room name, which is Whitmer, and I'm going to go ahead and hit join, and then it's going to hopefully give me those three questions that you're going to see. So on the left hand side is my student version. I'm going to put my first and last name. It's always good to see if students are paying attention because it asks for first name and then last name. And I hit done. Notice it's going to update automatically on the right hand side. First question, how well did you understand today's materials? These are already pre-done for us. They come already with the answers. So you just kind of collecting ideas on how students are feeling about it. What did I learn in today's lesson? How to solve equations, submit my answer. And then the third question is always, please answer the teacher's question. So you can have something up on the board, and you can go ahead and you can say, I will come over after school. And then I hit done, and I hit submit my answer. So now that is finished, and I can go ahead on my teacher side, and I can hit finish. And it's going to ask me where do I want my reports, and I'm just going to hit X for right now so I can get out of that. So I'm going to go back to the launch section, and I'm going to go to the quiz this time. So this time I'm going to go to quiz. Yes. So now it's going to launch all of my quizzes, and I'm going to go ahead and try one of them. Copy of Intro to Cells, and I'm going to hit next. I have a bunch of different options: require names, shuffle questions. I can do teacher paste. I can do instant feedback. So there's all different types of things I can do here. I'm requiring names. Oh, delivery method first. I'm going to do teacher paste. And then I have those options there. So I go ahead and hit next. So now my student section, notice I'm already in the room, so now I can put my name again. And you see how this is working now. So I hit Whitmer, I hit done. So there's my first question. I'm just going to hit true, not even really answering the questions. So as the teacher, I have to wait and see until all of my students are finished. And you can see on my side it says 1 of 1 students have answered. So now I can go on to next, and I can go on to the next question. Multiple students on there, you're going to see all of their answers, see who picked what. So for this one, I'm just going to hit this. I'm going to hit submit. I can hit how did we do. Okay, so you can see 100% students pick that. I have an explanation if I had one, and I can go ahead and I can hit next. So I would keep going through and answering all those questions and going through question by question with the students. I'm going to go and finish this for now, just for intents and purposes of demonstration. So you can kind of see what it looks like on the student side. Let me finish. Okay, so that was quizzes. Space Race is more of a group activity where you can do a bunch of different questions. And then the quick questions at the bottom are multiple choice, true, false, and short answer. So there you have it. I'm looking at it on the student view and also on the teacher view of Socrative.